In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a Gmail and Google account on your laptop or PC. If you're new to Google or just setting up a fresh account, don't worry. The process is quick and simple. First, open your browser and go to Google's homepage, then click on the sign in button at the top right corner. On the next page, click create account and select for myself. Now you'll see a form where you need to enter your first name, last name, and create a unique email address. Choose a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've filled everything out, click Next. Then add your phone number and recovery email. These help you recover your account if you ever forget your password. Next, enter your date of birth and gender, then click Next again. You'll get a verification code on your phone number. Simply enter that code to verify. After that, review Google's privacy and terms, scroll down, and click I agree. And that's it. You've successfully created your Gmail and Google account. Now you can use it to access YouTube, Drive, Meet, and all other Google services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helped you set up your new Google account with ease.